Hey guys, it's Paul the Motor Guy. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how riding outside of a circle can help you with your head and eyes. So hang tight. So when I'm teaching my advanced course and a rider has problems going inside the circle, I have them ride outside the circle. And what this does is help them with their head and eyes. So what I normally see is that when riders are riding, they ride with their head and eyes behind the motorcycle, meaning as the motorcycle is turning, their head and eyes are behind it. What you want is your head and eyes to be in front of the bike. So as I'm riding, instead of being behind it, I want my head and eyes to be in front of the motorcycle as I'm riding it. You always want to be one step ahead. So what I have here is I have a 24-foot circle that I'm going to be riding around. And I'm going to show you what it should look like if your head and eyes are correct. Now when I'm doing this exercise, I'm not worried about dragging knee or anything like that. I'm just worried about my head and eyes. So I'm going to ride this straight up and down, just let the motorcycle lean underneath me. But you can ride however you want to, but the most important part is your head and eyes, keeping your head and eyes in front of your motorcycle. So I'm gonna get on this bike here, gear up, and I'm gonna ride it for you. So the first few passes, I'm gonna ride with my eyes behind the bike, which is what I normally see, and then the next couple passes, I'm gonna ride with my eyes in front of the bike. So be my eyes behind the bike. As you see, I'm looking to the right and I'm going to the left. That's behind the bike. Now I'm going to show you in front of the bike. This is what I look like in front of the bike. So I'm here, my eyes are looking way over there. Way over there. That's in front of the motorcycle. Now I'm going to show you how keeping your head and eyes in front of the bike helps when you're doing slow speed maneuvers. So I'm going to have a U-turn box here that I'm going to ride in and do a couple U-turns to demonstrate. Now what I normally see is this with the head and eyes. As riders are coming in, the head and eyes are behind the motorcycle. The motorcycle is already turning, the head and eyes are behind it, and then you end up going wide. That's one reason why you end up going wide. What it should look like is this. So I'm coming to make my turn. My head and eyes should turn first in front of the motorcycle, and then that'll help tighten up your turn when you do that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get on the bike. I'm gonna ride do a couple U-turns for you. I'm gonna do one the incorrect way, which would be with my eyes behind the motorcycle, and then I'm gonna do one the correct way with my eyes in front of the motorcycle. And you can see the difference in my turn. So let me go ahead and gear up and get on this thing. Again, the first one's gonna be with my head and eyes behind the motorcycle. See how it kind of took me wide and I hit the outside cones? So now I'm gonna fix this here. Close enough. And I'm gonna do it the correct way. My head's gonna turn first. And then I'm gonna turn the bike. So here we go, eyes in front of the bike. All right, guys, so there you go. And I hope this video helps you with your head and eyes, not only when you're out there on the road in your curves, but also when you're doing slow speed maneuvers. And I recommend you checking out this video where I go over target fixation. Now, until next time, you got it. Practice, 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 and ride safe.